For my coming to this place, I was just thinking someone was just calling us to convince us to accept GMO product in the market or as a registration authority to register it and put it out for sale, not knowing we're coming to be schooled on, one, safety, two, methods of coming out with GMO. First, the safety aspect was very important to me as a regulatory officer because that is the basic requirement of every product that is released into the market. It should be safe and wholesome for the consumer. So I paid more attention or much attention on the safety aspect. And the safety aspect was awesome. It was very standard because it made us to understand that GMO is not something new that they are creating. No. It is something that exists, but a particular plant possesses certain properties that makes it to produce more. And particular plant also possesses certain properties that make it resistant to insects or insecticides. So therefore, it's about bringing these combinations together to be able to produce something beneficial for human. What is wrong with that? I think it's not anything that is genetically like artificial introduction. No, it's natural introduction. Like he says, farming is artificial. Why? Man thought going around hovering and hunting for food is becoming scarce. So therefore, there is the need for him to create a sustainable environment for himself. That calls for farming or any other activity that forms like producing food for himself. So therefore, GMO, in my own understanding today, has come to clear my doubts on it is artificial process and that can lead to thermal cells or other things. No. I think today I have gotten much understanding on GMO foods. And it has come to tell me that, yes, it's not how we thought of. It was lack of knowledge that was making us to prejudge it in a certain way. And today we are very happy that we have been able to pass through this tendrils training, and we are happy to share it with others, and it will help in our registration activities and labeling activities.
GM is not new in Ghana. GM foods are not new to us at FDA, but today's training has enlightened me more on the network of people involved in coming up with a GM product. It has shown me the amount of work put into ensuring that GM foods are safe or GM products are safe for consumption, because, you know, in FDA, what our mandate is basically to make sure that food products, drugs, and other materials are safe. So today I've been made to understand that it's not just from the lab and it goes out into the public domain, but after that it goes through series of screening, series of legal aspects before a GM product is released into the public for use. I think that today's training will help me in my work as a public education speaker to help others to understand, you know, that GM is not dangerous. It's there mostly to solve problems, and it is something that has been there for many years. It's up to us to open up our minds to understand it so that we can appreciate it more. It is only when you understand something that you can accept it. So it will really help me in my delivery of my work.